Oh my gosh, that was so scary. I'm getting the fenders up.
Welcome Secondhand Sailors. I'm Turner.
I'm Renee.
And we're here today sailing on Daisy May. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
We recently witnessed the Gulfport Sea Rescue in action, saving 3 people's lives from a boating accident. This incident put safety and rescue on our minds. All man overboard instruction that we could find on the internet required 3 to 4 people. Since we rarely carry more than just the 2 of us, we developed a plan to ensure our safety if one of us fell over. Turner has previous training with certifications, so our plan focused on training me to save Turner, if God forbid, ever necessary. I am scared to death. Today is the day I learned to do this all by myself. I've got to back this boat out of the slip, and I'm freaking out.
Crank the boat. Check for water.
I got water.
Alrighty. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna release the spring line.
Okay.
And all you should have to do is put it in reverse and let it backwards in the dock. But keep your wheels straight.
Keep my
So you
wheels
stay
straight.
between the piles.
Okay, my rudder is way over here. Do I need to center it before I do anything?
Yeah, center your rudder up.
Okay, rudder is centered.
Alright, and then we're gonna put it in reverse. Start backing up in a second. It's okay.
Scared me so bad I knocked my earring out.
Okay. Reverse is where?
Down. Go down for reverse and up for forward, and middle is neutral.
Yeah, because I'm on. You've got that forward line up there when you turn loose, and then it's the middle one, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to help me get the forward one.
All right.
I'm going to take the other one.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. I'm getting the fenders up. Turner took over. I've backed it out. Whew. And the Ship Island boat was coming out at the same time. Just freaked me out, everything.
You got this.
I don't know if I'm captain material.
Oh, you're captain material.
I might just be first mate material.
You'll work it out.
Oh no.
Main thing is calm down.
You got confidence I'm gonna be able to rescue you if you go overboard?
Well, you'll have to.
Okay. Whether you got confidence or not.
You don't come back without me. You remember the ASA man overboard drills?
Yes.
Alrighty.
I didn't like them.
I think as far as doing your figure eights, or like they teach over in England and some places about just going a few boat links out and turning around, getting back to them, that's going to be depending on the weather, the waves, whether you're under power, sail. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to let you practice some figure eighting here, and And then what we're going to do is come back up next to our dummy that I'm going to throw over. It's right here. And then we're going to practice trying to get him aboard just like if it's me and you're by yourself.
Okay.
Okay? Because everybody just gaps the dummy up, gets it on board, and you can't do that with somebody.
Well,
Especially,
the human's going to be weighing a lot more than that fender.
and if you're by yourself and the boat's a little wavy or somebody's hurt, it may take a little more. So we're going to practice getting the halyard down, putting the halyard over to them, and then possibly hoisting them up with the halyard.
Okay.
That'll be one way. Next way we can take, drop the ladder in the water, possibly help them up. First thing you do, if somebody hits the water, you're going to throw
Hit the man overboard.
hit the man overboard, throw the throw to them back there.
Yes.
And since we don't have somebody pointing, you'll have to kind of keep your eye on them. But if your sails are up, we'll drop them.
Yep.
And then we'll get the engine cranked and so you can get back. Because you're by yourself.
Right.
Okay?
I'll be on
Make
the
sure
boat
going
all
back towards it, do not run them over. You just want them out on the side of your boat.
I don't need to chop your legs off.
That's right.
That creates another issue.
So once they get close to you, close to the boat, you get them out there, then you can handle everything from there.
All right.
All right.
Okay. First step is marking on the man overboard button.
Yes.
Second step, I throw up the rope. And third step, I make a loop around and come back to you.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Here's one of our crew. He's a little wobbly legged today. Man overboard.
Man overboard. Okay.
Did you hit the button?
Oh. Want
See?
my button?
Man overboard.
Man overboard. Okay. I have marked it. Now I'm throwing him a life line. Hang on, baby. Here's the life ring. Got my eye on him.
Make a big swing. Don't cut it short. You bring him up alongside and put you between the wind and him. This is me out there in the front of the boat hollering,
I'm back and forth.
"You're killing me, baby. You're killing me."
I'm trying, man. I'm trying. Slow it down.
Yep, you slow her down.
Now
Put it in reverse.
Watch it for him.
Take it out of gear. And then you want him stopped right here, okay?
Okay.
All right, and then right there you go ahead and put it in reverse or whatever you need to do to stop the boat, get it into control. Right here next to me. That's it. Stop. Take it out of gear. You did good. Man overboard.
Man overboard. Okay. Mark step 1, mark where he was. Step 2, throw in the life ring. Step 3, I'm going 2 boat lengths away from him. Should I rev up?
No.
Just so you know, if you weren't on this boat would be revved up. 1 boat length.
About 2 boat lengths.
Got 2 boat lengths, and now I'm fixing to make my turn and come back around.
Now it's all dependent on the seas. This is dependent on the wind and how you're powered. Today, Renee's just practicing being under power and easing back around to get me out of the water if she's by herself. Now,
I got my eye on you. Thankfully, you got that bright orange life jacket.
I'm gonna say, "Baby, I might have hurt my shoulder. I fell in the water. I can't climb back on the boat."
You in
So-
trouble!
So you'll have to get a halyard down to get it on me to pull me out of the water. All right, I'm in the water. You're next to me. I'm next to you. So you can't get me in the boat. My shoulder's hurt. And so you would have to go ahead and take the halyard. Take the end with the clip. Try to pull it down. In this case, we're using spare halyards. All right. and then you would throw into the halyard to me. So I would tie it onto myself. Hold it. Now that I'm on the side of the boat, I'm clipped in. I say, okay, baby, I'm clipped in.
It's gonna be okay. Mama's here. I got you, baby.
That's right.
I got you.
And Mama cranked me on board, lay me down right here on the deck. And then she can let the Coast Guard know if I'm hurt or not.
It's CPR you.
CPR is needed. And we, at this point, when your person that needed rescuing is back aboard, you can take and get them situated, get control back over your controls, and head back in or get to safe harbor. I think you did good.
I did such a good job saving Turner's life. We even had enough time to come over and watch the regatta today. This is the regatta out of Gulfport Yacht Club.
Renee, let me back down.
I don't know, I kind of like you there.
This ain't funny anymore.
It is to me.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If there's any project you'd like to see, please tell us in the comments down below. Until next time, tell your mom and them, Turner said hey.